Something remarkable is happening right here on the brewery floor. Something that shows what's possible when climate technology becomes part of your everyday life. I'm Matt Atwood. I'm the founder and CEO of Aircapture, and we're standing here at Almanac Brewery in Alameda, California.
Beer is made of 5 ingredients: water, malt, hops, yeast, and CO2.
My name's Damian Fagan. I'm the founder and CEO of Almanac Beer Company.
Brewing depends on CO2. It carbonates our beer and it protects freshness. But traditionally, CO2 comes from fossil fuel sources, and it's trucked in from hundreds of miles away and can take weeks to get here. And this creates an unreliable supply chain where shortages, allocation limits, and force majeure are common occurrences. Until now.
We're proud to partner with Almanac to provide ultra-pure CO2 captured directly from the atmosphere.
And the best part is, it's pulled from right outside.
It's the first time that CO2 from direct air capture is being put into a product and will be on the shelves for consumers to select.
Hassle-free CO2 on demand, on our terms, in our control. Securing the power to supply our brewery without interruption and without hidden fees.
Our system pulls air in, isolates the CO2, purifies it to beverage grade and ISBT standards, and delivers it to our customer.
It means reliability, constant purity, and less dependence on fossil fuels. And it means we can continue to brew great beer with a smaller footprint.
This isn't just about one brewery. This is about atmospheric CO2 as a reliable resource. Anywhere CO2 is needed, we can produce it. On-site, reliably, and on your terms. From food and beverage, breweries to concrete curing, and manufacturing to greenhouses. From the atmosphere to your pint glass. It tastes like the future.
It tastes like great beer.